Mikey G back again with another video. Today I'm going to be putting in this windshield washer pump, because the other day I noticed when I was trying to wash the windows, there's no water coming out. So I looked for a fuse for that, and I didn't see any fuse. Maybe there is a fuse and I just can't find it, but we're gonna find out today when I plug this thing in. If it don't work, it's either gonna be the wires, or it's gonna be the fuse, or just the motor that's in there is bad. But yeah, I'm gonna put this thing on. It just came in last night while I was at work. Seems like everything comes in while I'm at work. But yeah, I got a whole box of stuff to put in this car. All my tune-ups that I finally got my speaker covers in. Everything's the way it's supposed to be. But yeah, let's get to putting this washer pump in. I was hoping that I wouldn't have to take the wiper motor out, but I can see it's way, the place I need to be is way down there where that yellow wire is at, and it doesn't look like I'll be able to pop that out without taking this whole thing out. But I'm gonna see what I can do, play with it a little bit more, and I'll be right back. First things first, let's unplug the plug for the washer pump. Just had this thing off the other day, now I don't want to come off. Alright, that's the plug right there. Let's plug the new one in. This thing looks old, really old. Well, the packaging looks old, but why is these plugs different? Something's not right. Oh man, don't tell me they sent me the wrong one. This thing turned out to be hotter than I thought it was gonna be. I lost two 10mm sockets down there. I think I can get one of them. I see that one sticking up there, but that bottom bolt right there is hard to get, especially when you leave all your extensions in your other car. But yeah, let me see if I can grab it without it falling down more. I had that swivel, I taped it up. That didn't work out too good, but I got it. But yeah, this one was a pain to get to. I almost lost that bolt right there. Let me see if I can get that. Got it. Alright, so there's 3 bolts on there. The hard one, that one, and that one. That go right there. Those 3 right there. And I was wrong about that, the plug. That is the plug that I took out earlier. Was that's for the actual motor. The thing that I'm trying to get out is right there. That's the washer pump. So, and it looks like this thing was melting. So something was over it. It looked like maybe overheating, or maybe that's just like glue to keep the water out. I don't know. But yeah, that's all I have to take out. So to take this out, there's a little tab right there. Gotta get that out. Got that off. course something broke. And this thing should just pull out. I noticed something too about the there's a difference. These this is the new one. See how they both shoot out the side? And this is the old one. One shoots out the side and one shoots straight down. But that shouldn't be a problem. Gonna put the new one in. I gotta change over these this thing. Who knows, it might need it for some reason. Alright, got that on. Now all I have to do is push it in the hole. Goes like this. Gotta get it lined up. Alright, it's in. Let's put the hoses on this thing and make sure it works before I put it back together. I don't know which one is which, but oh, it does say on it, it says on and out, so in, that's right. In comes from the washer fluid, and out goes to the sprayers. So let's see if this thing, it might not work because maybe it needs to be good. I think it does, because right there you see that it needs to be grounded to the car for it to work. With this right here. But I don't know if I got a piece of wire in the trunk. Let me see. I didn't realize that this stuff came new in the package. It's that foam thing that I just took off the other one, so I'm gonna change that. That clip that I just put on and lost, it fell in the engine somewhere, and this strainer thing that goes right there is a new one, so I'm gonna put that on and try to get this thing going. Yeah, I just finished putting everything back together. Everything but that bottom bolt. I gotta tighten it up when I get back to my other car. Let's see if this thing works. Oh yeah, we got water. Got a little bit too much. It's spraying everywhere. But yeah, that's the end of this video. Or maybe not. Maybe I'll just add them together. But I gotta put all this stuff on the car. I'm not gonna do that today. I'm gonna do that another day. I just wanted to get that washer pump in and working, because it is a pain when you're driving and your window's dirty and you can't clean it. But yeah, till the next video.